Hi there. In this task, we're going to use multiple actions like input, click, extraction, and toolbox in order to achieve the result we want. What we want to do is basically we want to tell Automatio to click on this search button, uh, input some data inside the search box, and then press the enter and then extract this data over there. So let's get started. I'm just gonna refresh this page to start clean to show you. So if Automatio extension doesn't open, you can open it over here by clicking on Automatio extension. So let's get started. As you can see, you can use this arrow to switch the side of Automatio extension if the extension is blocking itself, the element. So the first thing we need to do is to use a click action to to make the search box appear. So I'm gonna select this search icon over here, and yeah, if you use these arrows, you can execute the action right away in the browser. So if I click over here, the the click will actually be executed on the search bar, so on the search icon. So let's do this. As you can see, a search box appear. I can again swap the extension side over here so I can see it visually. The next thing we want to do is to use input action to mark this search box over here and then provide some value that will be searched for. So in this case, let's use sneakers or just sneaker. Um, you can also use again arrow here if you want to populate and proceed further. Now we need to tell Automatio to press enter. Since there is no search button over here, we need to press enter somehow. In this case, I'm going to use toolbox, and inside the toolbox there's a bunch of tools. As you can see, in this case we're going to use a keystroke. And what is a keystroke? Is basically Automatio will simulate pressing the keyboard buttons over here. So if I select the keystroke, you can see this option appear here, enter key. So I'm gonna click over here, and now Automatio is waiting for the keyboard button to be detected. So you press on your keyboard while you are in this mode over here. You press the button that Automatio want you to simulate. In this case, you want to simulate enter button. So I'm gonna press the enter button. As you can see, Automatio automatically detect that. So we're gonna click done to confirm. Over here, you have some additional settings that you can loop if you want Automatio to press multiple times, enter, and delay between. In this case, we want only once. So the next step will be actually to go forward and extract the data from the search result. So I'm gonna, since there is no arrow button execution over here on the keystroke, I will do this manually. So I'm gonna press enter while here in the search, and here we got the product. So what we need to do next is just to use simply extract action and select the elements you want. In this case, I want to extract the titles. I want to extract also the price. And I would also like to extract the image URLs. So how are we going to do that? Since by default Automatio is extracting the text, and from the previous example you saw that we can extract the link or other type of data from the selected element. In this case, you want to select the image URL. And here we go. I select the image URL. If I go to preview, we're going to see the data, the title, the price, and the image URL out there. And that's basically it. Just click create and run, and the instance will be created. If everything is correctly done, you're gonna pass this task and get the credits awarded. Peace out.